Here we go, another one.
Hello.
Another one. Today we are installing the 034 rear end links on the 034 rear sway bar. The MOG end links are making a little bit of noise, so that's why I got the 034 ones. We just did the adjusted yours.
Yes, the front and the back. More so the front because it was all messed up. I think it's from the autocross, like you said.
That was good though.
That was the quickest job we've ever done.
10 minutes.
Now this is gonna be the counter.
Oh god, here we go. All right, I'm gonna unwrap this so you guys can see. All right, so here's what it came with. These are the adjustable ones. This is from BMP Tuning, of course. Came with a sticker, 2 air fresheners, and a 034 keychain thing. It has anti-seize, 2 nuts, and 2 washers. I think you're gonna reuse the bottom bolt for it. And that's it. All right, so if you have an aftermarket exhaust, I suggest, especially the Miltech, just take this side off. You're gonna have to take off both sides because it's a lot easier to get to the bolt for the top of the end link. The bottom is obviously easy. 2 13s, wrench, and a socket. And this one is a 15, so you're gonna have to remove this just to get a little more extra clearance. So it's a 15 wrench, and I was able to put a 15 gear wrench and a 19 wrench for the back. This is for the MOG end links. I'm not sure about the OEM ones though. And you just keep on going. Oh shit, that came out. You get what I mean. Bastard. I could smell the fucking... the air freshener. I love that shit.
It is strong.
Yeah. Alright guys, so the end links are on. It was a little pain in the ass because the adjusting nut was fucking tight, but we got it on. You might need a hex wrench or Allen key to hold, you know, because the stud spins when you do it, so you just gotta have this inside so that the nut doesn't keep spinning. So now we're gonna put on the tips, and let's see if it's good. Hope it doesn't make noise, bro. All right, and let's see how they are. So far, so good. I don't.
This adds about what, 8 horsepower?
Yeah, 8 horsepower. About 8.
So you're now at 198?
Now at a solid 150. Nah, I don't know. A couple guys were asking me how much power from the race chip, but I don't know.
More power.
So it's gonna rain.
I'll take it.
I don't hear no noise, bro. Alright, pretty good. I don't hear nothing. You?
Nope.
Alright guys, so next up we did the first we did the 034 end links. Now we're gonna do the ECS tuning rear brace. Looks fairly simple, easy. It's powder coated red. This goes on the side. We have it on the ramp. We might have to jack it up, but let's see if it actually makes a difference. I might need to take the glasses. Alright guys, so we have the car on the ramp. we jacked it up a little bit so it could be more high, so you could see it better. So pretty much the bar is gonna be like this. It's gonna go from the trailing arm bolts right here and hook up to those 2 bolts right there under the tunnel. So you're gonna need a 13. This was a 10 mil, and this is a 13, and this is a 16. So now we're gonna just remove this. That's one. That's 2. Now we're gonna remove this. Oh god, this is such an awkward fucking position. All right. Whoopsie. All right. Okay, now, so it's gonna look like this right there. So, all right, so now we're gonna remove that side. I'll show you where the 10 mils are at so that you can see it. So on the other side, so there's 10s. Where is it? It's gonna be right here. 1. Is that a 10? Oh no, that's something else. All right, so I have to take that out too. And it looks like you need a torque bit, right? A torque right there. So this is a T20. Let's remove this. What the fuck? Ugh. Jesus. Now I can get access to the other bolts right there. We're gonna jack up this side, but oh wait, what am I doing? Is this 13? Yeah. All right, there we go. I'm just gonna leave it like that so that I could just put it on the. Now we'll go back to the other side. All right, so I'm just gonna I'll just put it by hand a little bit, and then I'm gonna put. So the black bar goes on top. Let me just.
On top meaning?
On top of the red.
So the red one goes in between the black bar and the car.
Right.
When you say on top, it seems like.
Shit, my hat. Ugh. Jesus.
It's a good time to do that TikTok video.
Which one is it?
Underneath the car, and then it goes.
Oh yeah. So as you can see,
Shit.
we're gonna have to. The right way to do it is to trim it. Yeah, we're gonna have to trim it or cut it or some shit.
Okay.
All right. So we cut it with scissors. It's not, you know, the best looking, but it works because you have to get clearance for this. We'll just tighten this a little bit. Oh shit, I have to leave it loose. Fuck, forgot. Don't tighten it. You have to wait for the other part to go in. So we'll do both sides. I mean, forgot about that. All right. You're gonna cut the other side. We'll show them.
Sure.
We'll show them how you do it.
All right.
All right. Alright. What are you doing, bro?
Alright. I don't know if you can see from there. You gotta trim from. You gotta trim a little bit. Actually, let me grab it. Let me see.
Yeah, grab it.
Let's see if I can do it. Hopefully that clears. Alright, so you just gotta trim this right here. From here to here. So it goes flush like that.
And you're doing it with an old school scissor. Listen, if it works, right?
Yep.
Alright guys, don't forget these bolts on the trailing arm, those are torque to yield bolts. So make sure to get new bolts. And I wouldn't do the gun, I would use the torque wrench. That's pretty much it. I'm gonna show you how it looks on the bottom. Right there. So we're just gonna tighten everything down. And that's pretty much it. Alright, so we're done with the ECS tuning rear chassis brace. I guess we'll give it another test drive and see. Overall it was very simple. The only annoying thing was you trimming that shit. Look at you sweating, bro.
Forearm strength.
Sweating.
Fat ass.
So now we're gonna just do a quick little test drive just to make sure there's no noises and shit again. And that's it. The rear chassis brace. Can't wait to see how it is when we do motocross again, whatever that is. But overall, it feels good. No noises. You know, then again, we're just driving on the block, so we won't really know until we actually really push it. Alright, so that was the install. We did the 034 Endlinks and the adjustable Endlinks and the ECS tuning rear chassis brace. Everything was simple. So
Simple, nice and easy.
yeah, no noises, not anything like that. But we won't really know until we do some hard driving, like when we go to autocross, probably within a month or so. So thanks for watching, guys. Appreciate it. Peace.